Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is being true to yourself. Be original. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. Leave your fingerprint, your footprint, your brain print, your intellect, because there's no one that ever will be like you. So make sure that you show how different you are. The world loves someone that sticks out and will be their original selves. What does it benefit you to come into this world and be just like the next person? And everyone's just mimicking the next person. No, be original. Stand up. Stand out. Be your unique self and get ready to be blessed. And everyone will accept you for your originality. I'm true to myself and to others. I remove masks and stop creating illusions. You're not into the fake. You're only into the real. And that's a Sagittarius attribute. I have confidence in who I am, and I reveal the good in me, and I do not need to hide or prove anything. I replace shame with power, love, and truth. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.